Got a bunch of photos from one event or a trip and want them all into a single shareable images. I'm going to be showing you how to start with the Canva collage tools to make this genuinely simple. So the first thing I want to be doing here is to start from scratch. I'm going to go directly into my section here of my Canva. I'm going to go into start your design. Into the upper left corner, click into the element that says create. Here, you can choose a size like the Instagram post, to search the photo collage, to browse ready-made templates instead. So when you go for the element that says photo collage, usually it will be appearing some specific results of what you're trying to specifically design. In my case, let's say for example that I wanted to create an actual collage for a YouTube banner. So I go for YouTube banner, and here I have the actual edit mode of the actual collage section. So here, usually what I do into the section that says templates, I just type the word collaged. And as you can see, here I have now some templates that I can use for my specific collage. To get more specific results, I usually recommend you to look out for the element that says presentation, and you have 1920 by 1080. Inside here, even to your templates, you type once again collage. Usually it will be showing you more great ideas. Usually go for photo collages like this, and this actually doesn't look that bad. So when you click directly into one specific template, let's say for example that I wanted to use this one actually looks really well. Let's say for example that I wanted to just add a few more instead inside here, instead of just focusing with this 6 of them. So let's say for example that I just click directly into them, I delete them, and I wanted to just copy and paste more of them. Let's say for example that I copy and paste this image and put this like this, and I can add 3 small more images like this. 1, I get 2, and I get 3. So there we go. Now the next thing I will be doing here is just to start, as you can see, editing the actual formatting of what I'm actually clicking into it. So usually what I do is to look out for all the images I would like to add into my collage. For example, focus into the element that says upload files. Into upload files, you can add as much images as you wanted to. Let's say for example I want to add this too, and I have this already been added into my collage. So what I just needed to do is to just drag and drop where I want these images to be appearing, like this. And there we go. So basically what I just needed to do is to just type into the elements that I would like to change. For example, I just drag and drop, and as you can see, everything automatically is now been fittable. That's the reason why you usually use templates, to make this process much faster. The second option to make this is a little bit much more manual is to head into the element that says elements into the left section. Here usually what I do is to go for the element that says frames. Into frames, I go for see all, and I go for the actual search results in order to start adding my specific frame. So I can just add one specific image, and I can put the actual design, the actual style of how I want my images to be appearing into my actual photo collages, like this. And the last thing I need to do is just to put the actual images directly inside my actual template, and basically that will be actually it. So just finish putting all of those like this. There we go. And here I go for the uploads, and you can see I just needed to drag and drop till you see that automatically they have now been appearing and fittably directly from my actual images. So there you go, guys. Actually, it's not that hard. It's going to be really easily, and the solution basically appears directly inside all my specific photo collages too. So if you have any question, guys, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools here from Canva. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we can all see you next time.